Hello kids, welcome to Shots Up, where learning is fun. Let's meet wild animals. Kids, look, point and say, "Hello elephant." Look, point and say, "Hello lion." Look, point and say, "Hello panda." Look, point and say, "Hello fox." Look, point and say, "Hello deer." Look, point and say, "Hello bear." Look, point and say, "Hello koala." Look, point and say, "Hello iguana." Look, point and say, "Hello tiger." Look, point and say, "Hello giraffe." Look, point and say, "Hello snake." Thank you for watching kids. I hope you liked the video and learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.